Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to import your own music and sounds into Capcut PC. Start by opening up Capcut and logging in. Then click on Create New. Next, open up the video or picture you want your music or sound over. And then most people search in audio. You can use these songs' sound effects too. But to import your own, just go back to Media. Then click Upload. Look for your song or sound, and just double-click it or click on Open. Now you can just drag it onto the edit line and place it under your video or picture and start editing. Be sure to check out the previous videos in this playlist. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.